Here are some signs that your crush might have feelings for you too. 1. Frequent communication. They often initiate conversations and make an effort to stay in touch. 2. Active interest. They ask personal questions and show genuine interest in your life. 3. Physical proximity. They find reasons to be close to you or make physical contact. 4. Compliments. They frequently compliment you or find ways to make you feel special. 5. Body language. They exhibit positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact and smiling. 6. Time together. They make an effort to spend time with you and include you in their plans. 7. Supportive behavior. They are supportive and attentive when you need help or are going through challenges.